Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make a super simple air freshener. All you're going to need is some baking soda, one of these 1/4 pint mason jars. You're going to need a essential oil of choice. I'm using lavender and tangerine, and then just a paper cupcake liner. This is going to be super simple. All you have to do is go ahead and open up your 1/4 pint jar. You're going to take your lid and set it aside. We're not actually going to need it. You can go ahead and dump in a little bit of baking soda. Baking soda is notorious for soaking up odors, smells, deodorizing, all of those things. I can link a whole playlist down below on how I use baking soda to clean my home. All you're gonna have to do with your essential oil is put a couple drops in here. Go ahead and give it a quick stir. Take the top of your cupcake liner, place it over the top. We're gonna take our ring, pop our ring right back on. Now you can leave it just like this if you want, which is personally what I like to do, but if you really wanted to, you could take like a thumbtack or something and poke a couple holes on top in this cupcake liner. But I like to keep these on the back of my bathroom toilets. They're super simple, really easy, and then I can refill them anytime myself with things that I already keep on hand, like different types of essential oils and baking soda. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in another video.